Welcome back to the House of Cars, your ultimate destination for the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Today, we're thrilled to introduce you to the new Kia Seltos 2024, a compact SUV that combines style, technology, and practicality in one impressive package. The 2024 Seltos builds on its predecessor's success with updated features, a refreshed design, and advanced technology. Let's dive into what makes this SUV a standout choice in the compact segment, along with its pricing details. Dynamic and stylish design. The Kia Seltos 2024 features a bold and dynamic design that stands out on the road. Its updated front grille, sleek LED headlights, and sporty lines give it a modern and aggressive look. The refreshed design includes new alloy wheel options and vibrant exterior colors that enhance its visual appeal. The Seltos' rugged yet refined appearance ensures it catches eyes wherever it goes, making a strong statement in the compact SUV market. Comfortable and versatile interior. Step inside the Seltos, and you'll find a spacious and well-appointed cabin designed with both comfort and versatility in mind. The high-quality materials, ergonomic seating, and thoughtful layout create a pleasant environment for both driver and passengers. The Seltos offers ample legroom and headroom, making it comfortable for long journeys. The rear seats can be easily folded to expand the cargo space, providing flexibility for various hauling needs, whether it's a weekend getaway or a trip to the grocery store. Advanced technology. The 2024 Seltos is equipped with the latest technology to keep you connected and entertained on the go. The centerpiece is the large touchscreen infotainment system that supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless integration with your smartphone. The available premium audio system provides excellent sound quality, making every drive enjoyable. Other tech features include a wireless charging pad, multiple USB ports, and an advanced navigation system. Comprehensive safety features. Safety is a priority in the Kia Seltos 2024, which comes equipped with a suite of advanced safety features. Kia's DriveWise safety suite includes forward collision avoidance assist, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert. These features provide an extra layer of protection, helping to prevent accidents and ensuring peace of mind for you and your passengers. The Seltos also features a robust build quality and multiple airbags strategically placed throughout the cabin. Efficient and responsive performance. Under the hood, the 2024 Seltos offers a choice of efficient and responsive engines. The standard 2.0-liter inline-4 engine provides a good balance of power and fuel efficiency, making it ideal for daily driving. For those seeking more performance, the available 1.6-liter turbocharged engine delivers extra power and a more dynamic driving experience. Both engines are paired with smooth and responsive transmissions, ensuring a comfortable and engaging ride. The Seltos' advanced all-wheel drive system is available for enhanced traction and stability in various driving conditions. Pricing. The Kia Seltos 2024 is priced competitively, with the base model starting at around $24,000. The higher trims, which offer additional features and enhancements, can go up to approximately $32,000. This range makes the Seltos an attractive option for those looking for a feature-rich and affordable compact SUV. The Kia Seltos 2024 is a well-rounded compact SUV that offers a perfect blend of style, technology, and practicality. With its dynamic design, comfortable interior, advanced tech features, comprehensive safety systems, and competitive pricing, the Seltos is an excellent choice for those seeking a versatile and reliable vehicle. Thank you for tuning into the House of Cars. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Drop a comment below and let us know what you think about the Kia Seltos 2024. Until next time, keep driving in style and stay safe.